and Jack got new pillows.
I'm very excited. Oh, do I have pillowcases big enough to fit them?
Did you get king-sized pillows? No, wait, why would you get king-sized pillows for a queen-size bed?
They were just really big.
Oh my gosh. Oh, hello friends! It is Dingle here and welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing super duper well. Got Jack in the car. Hello. And I'm dragging him on some Sunday shopping. He's very excited about it.
I am actually pumped about it, sorry. I'm at an intersection.
I know. I love getting out of the house on a Sunday. I feel like Saturday a lot of people get out of the house and Sunday people relax, but yesterday was like we were just in the house all day. So I'm really excited to get myself out of the house. I literally think—
Did you leave yesterday?
I left to go get a bottle of wine at the store.
12, how are you surviving?
I don't know. I was like feeling a little cooped up, but now even just being on the road, I'm feeling a little bit better. Yeah, my mind is like clearing. You want to go to Starbucks? What time is it? It's like 2-ish. Do we want afternoon coffee now or do we want to wait a minute?
It's 1 o'clock. We should wait.
It's only 1 o'clock? Yeah, we'll wait for afternoon coffee.
We got up early together.
Yeah, so we got up early together. Jack was a gem and helped me with the laundry this morning. And it goes so much faster with 2 people, being able to like sort it and put it in places and like put the detergent in and the quarters. So that was awesome. And now on the agenda for our just get out of the house situation, we're gonna go down to Pike's Place Market. I don't know if I've ever vlogged. No, I've definitely vlogged at Pike's Place. But the main goal of that trip is to get ourselves some raw milk and raw cream. So good. I actually haven't had sugar in my coffee for a while, but as long as it has cream in it, so I'm hoping that we could get some cream there, some like raw cream. It's like super creamy and delicious. But the other 2 places we want to go, if we're feeling up to it, is a thrift store here in Seattle. It's called Value Village. If we're also feeling up for it, or either or, we have a HomeGoods gift card. And Jack on his list really wants a new kitchen rug. So that would be really good because ours is really nasty. So have a $50 gift card there, which can go pretty quick at HomeGoods. So we'll see if we see any good deals. We've got our day logged out for us. So we'll see you guys at Pike's Place Market. We are at the Pike and Pine Starbucks, and if you guys are ever wondering, this is not the original one. And we know it's not. It's just the most easiest to get to. The original one is much smaller, but we're gonna get a little pick-me-up because by the time we found parking, like 1:44, I'm like teetering on coffee. So I'll just sip mine slowly throughout the next hour or so. So it's like it's coffee time.
Jack, I have a grande vanilla latte with almond milk.
Thank you. There it is, you guys. That tastes so good. But yeah, I used to come down to Pike's Place all the time, but it was more so when we were just moved to the city, and now it feels so fun to be a tourist in your own city sometimes, you guys. It's real.
What's real?
It looks just like the pictures, you guys, if you're ever wondering. Oh, it's his birthday. This is Jack's favorite barbecue place if you ever come to Pike's Place.
That classic pork sandwich place? Okay, yeah.
Look at all of this amazing produce, you guys. Bub, look at these monster Brussels.
That looks pretty good.
This is all fresh seafood, you all. Seriously, it's very pricey, so we don't come here for like normal meals. But if we could, we totally would. All right, friends, this is where I'm getting mine. Ilya told us it's amazing. I'm not entirely sure what I'll be getting, but I'm down. Looks incredible.
Oh, it smells incredible.
I know.
You want to hold your coffee so you can...
Yes, please. Hey, I'm gonna do the beef and cheese, please. Thanks so much. Apparently, you guys, this is like, how do you say Polish?
I think it's Polish.
It's Polish. It's breads with meats and cheeses or veggies inside. So this is all stuffed with, oh my god, it smells so good.
Good snack?
Oh my god. Beef and cheese. How incredible is that? Pike's Place Creamery, you guys.
They have it.
Oh my gosh, wait, that's where Ilya took us. This is where we go if we can't get out to the actual farm, is Pike's Place Creamery, and they have a bunch of raw milk and a bunch of raw creams. You can get fresh eggs too, it's crazy.
5 altogether, is that 9, there's 10 and 20.
Perfect.
How about a bag?
Oh no, that's okay.
You got it?
Yeah,
Okay.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Guys, we even brought a cooler in order to put the cream and the raw milk in so that we could get it at Pike's Place.
Heck yeah.
Alright friends, we find ourselves at HomeGoods. It's only 3 o'clock, so
Whoa.
what are the goals in here? The goal is a kitchen mat. Jack's gonna get himself a new pillow if he can find a
nice.
good one. I'm gonna look at the sheets if they have any really good like deals on sheets, and then any other little knickknacks that we see. We're just gonna mosey around some HomeGoods.
I like moseying.
Let's hit it. They have a small cart. We find ourselves in the massive Tupperware section. Look at like one like this. This is pretty good. It's a 10-piece set of all different sizes, also for $5.99.
Good. I think one of these.
So one of those would be good.
Like the mint's better.
Yeah, it goes with our KitchenAid. So, okay, let's get this one. $5.99 for 10, which is amazing. And then look what I found. It is a half of an avocado storage. How cool is that though?
Really cool.
Someone thought of that. My mom calls these the freaking egg things because every fridge comes with an egg thing. Pretty sure, she has a whole blog post about it, but I'm pretty sure her thing is like, why would you need that egg thing if the eggs already come in a carton? Like, who actually takes the eggs out and like puts them in a different container? That makes 0 sense. I just found him, you guys.
Guys, welcome back to Jack's kitchen.
I lost him for a moment. How did I lose you? You're
Suction
doing...
sink
Okay,
center.
okay, got you. For the dish. Oh, we actually do need that.
What do you think?
We actually do need that. A dish rack.
A new one. So this one
The only thing is that won't... Ooh, it pops out.
pops out. So this has all the fork stuff right here.
Yeah.
So it's definitely smaller.
It's smaller is the only thing. I think we do need a bit, like one just the same size as our other one. I think we're gonna have to pass on the dish rack if these are the only options they have. Jack just said we have to go to the most important aisle. No, it's all here, Bubba, all the cats. But look, they have new bowls for Miss Allie. They're very nice, bub.
25.
Yeah, not bad. All right.
What do you think?
You feel they're squishy enough? All right, as long as you feel that they're squishy enough. We find ourselves in the candle section, everybody. We've been in here for like 10 minutes. Ooh,
Right?
it's, really? That's tomatoes? I like this one better. Okay. That's nice, okay. What's this one?
I like this more than cucumber. Suntan, like you just lathered up.
Yeah, I just lathered up on the feet. It's very subtle.
That's a really good one too.
Alright, that was a success. Again, we'll just do a little haul when we get home. But I'm torn.
Okay.
I could go to the thrift store.
Okay.
Or I could go home and possibly start to put away Christmas decorations. Slash like cook dinner. What do you feel?
I'm down for either one.
What do you feel more?
I think you want to go to the thrift store.
I actually am like torn. Let's look up where the thrift store is around here and then we'll make a decision.
Okay.
Because if it's close and not out of the way.
But you should probably look it up.
Okay, I'll look it up right now.
A few moments later.
I just looked up Value Village and that's kind of the one I wanted to go to, but there's none around here. They're literally like, we're here and all the Value Villages are like around. So that makes the decision easy. Let's go home, it's around 4 o'clock and I can kind of start putting away the Christmas decorations, kind of get excited about where the candles should go. And Jack got new pillows.
I'm very excited. Oh, do I have pillowcases big enough to fit them?
Did you get king-sized pillows? Why would you get king-sized pillows for a queen-size bed?
They were just really big.
Oh my gosh. I don't think we have pillowcases for those.
I just thought they were just longer. I don't know.
You're gonna be all up on my side of the bed with your pillows.
I don't know what you're talking about.
We could basically share those pillows, bub.
They're all mine.
So we are back home, and that also means I'm starting to get carried away with putting away the Christmas decorations. But at least like it always makes it easier when we have like new items. So that's what we're doing. I just wanted to show you guys real quick what we ended up getting overall. All right, so we got, as you guys saw, is this raw milk, Papa? So this is raw milk from, how do you say the brand? Dungeness Valley. It's one of our faves that we tried out here. And then we also have this half and half cream, but you can see a little better this time, I think. There's just some solid up at the top. That color is different than this color down here. That means all the cream is deliciously floated to the top, so we have to mix that up before we pour the cream in, which is awesome. So that's what we got for at Pike's Place, and obviously the yummy food that you saw us get. And then here is what we got at HomeGoods. It's okay, Jack already unwrapped one of these. So here's what we got at HomeGoods. We got the Sand and Fog inspired on the California Coast Spa cucumber water candle. That one, and it smells so good. This was originally $13, we got it for $7.99. This candle, it's S&F Ocean Mist, also inspired by the California coast. It's really like gentle smells. This one was also originally $13, we got it for $7.99.
I like these sand and fogs.
Yeah, they're really, really good. And then this one is our biggest one. And this is called Sea Salt, and we got this for $14.99, and it was originally $25. So massive candles that usually go for about 20 bucks around like Target or something. You can get at HomeGoods for a fraction of the price.
Basically.
So we crushed it.
What else did we get?
And we ended up getting a planner for me so that I can plan out my videos. Jack helped me pick this out because there were so many planners. I know, but what I like about this one is one, the print. I'm a huge sucker for floral. Jack knew that, so all of his options had flowers on them. But what I love about this one is that, one, it's a spiral. I've tried non-spiral and I just can't function with them. What I loved is that there are tabs ranging, I'll show you guys. There are tabs down the side with the months right here, and then it starts with obviously the whole year, so you can see like the whole year going down or whatever. But then you have January, for example, the whole month, so I can see at a glance what videos I want to film, when I want to edit, and then when I want to post them. That's what I like to do. And then if I want to get super particular, I loved how these spread out the days. I like how they organize the days as like horizontal. So I like this one a lot, and it didn't break the bank at all. The other ones were like, I think the other planners were like almost like 15 bucks or so.
I would say. And
they were really good, and they had like so many things going on, so it made sense why they were 15 bucks, because they came with stickers and they were like this thick and they were like super intense. But this one was originally $14 and we got it for $7.99. Really good and exactly what I needed. And then we got, as you guys saw, this Bingo food storage container. So I'm just gonna say it, I'm just gonna let them into our lives and how gross we are.
Dude,
we're just gonna go for it. So we don't have any storage containers anymore because we're terrible. I would say it's a combination of losing them because we go to the office and like have containers and then wash them and people take them or think that they're theirs, etc. But the other part is we will put food into containers, we'll forget that it's there, and then neither of us really want to open it and clean it because it's gonna smell so bad. So we end up just tossing them, which is so bad. We should definitely get better at that. But at HomeGoods, we got this 10-piece set, which comes with like massive ones all the way down to small ones, which is great because you don't need the same size every time you need to store food. It originally was $10. We got it for $5.99. So I'm a huge fan of this. But let's not forget Jack's king-sized pillow. Let me show you. So he's setting up the pillows in here before, and he goes, don't worry, Mac, if you really want one of these, if you really, really want one, I'll share with you. And then I was like, yeah, I'm not entirely sure you have a choice whether you're gonna share them with me, because if your pillow starts here, it's already halfway onto my side of the bed. I can literally see us sharing pillows, like, for the foreseeable future. Also, our bed is non-Christmassy anymore, which is really sad. Let me pull down the bed throw. There we go. Not as sad, not as sad. Perfect. So thank you all so much for coming shopping with me, and thank you, Jack, for coming shopping with me in real life.
Pleasure.
Normally Sundays I actually do like to get out of the house and go just pick up bits and bobs that we've been needing, or just a little candle to treat myself for the rest of the week. So, but I'm gonna continue putting away some of the Christmas decorations so we can fully enjoy our new candles and things like that. Maybe burn some. We have a Netflix show on. We're gonna cook dinner soon, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for coming. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I post weekly, and I'm aiming to post twice a week now, so that's exciting, as well as streaming on Saturdays. So if you like Sims, this is a very sim-friendly channel, so go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch all of you guys in my next video. See you later, bye!